when you have do not money, then people saying who are you? When you have money, then people saying how are you? Students who value time perform better in their studies. Wasting time leads to missed opportunities.
If I will give you 1,000 rupees, can you give me 1 minute of your life in return?
Money can buy a house, but it cannot buy a home.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to speak a few words on the topic importance of time. Time is very precious. It never stops and never comes back. We should use every moment wisely. Good time management help in better studies. Students who value time perform better in their studies. Wasting time leads to missed opportunities, and that's why we should respect time, because time and tide wait for no one. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to give the respect to the Ranjan sir to giving me this great opportunity. I will start with one question. If I will give you 1,000 rupees, can you give me 1 minute of your life in return? You cannot, because money can be earned again, but time is the precious thing that pass one time, it cannot get it back. Time is the most valuable thing in our life. We all give the same 24 hours in a day, but whether we are rich, poor, young, old, the difference is not that time. How much time we get, the difference is that the time how we use it. A student who will keep saying I will do it tomorrow, who lost many great opportunities. Don't waste today for waiting tomorrow to, because many time will waste. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Hi, my name is Rajnandini and I am here to tell you something about the importance of time. But firstly, I would like to say thanks to my teacher because he gave me a golden chance to speak in front all of you.
Good morning, I love you. Sorry. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Lex Raj from class 8. I am standing here to speak on the topic of importance of money. Sir, give an opportunity to speak on the topic of money. So first of all, start the lines. Money is a important part of our lives. It gives cloth, food, and medicines, but it cannot give everything. It cannot give feelings. A rich person has lots of money, but he has not kindness and honesty. We can earn money by the help of honesty, by the help of honesty and kindness and hard work. So I end my speech for the beautiful thought. Money can buy a house, but it cannot buy a home. Money can buy a house, but it cannot buy a home. Money can buy a bed, but it cannot buy a sleep. Money can buy a bed, but it not can buy a sleep. Money can buy things, but it cannot buy a good character.
Hello everyone. First of all, good morning to all of you. Today I am here to tell some about importance of money. Thank you so much, Ranjan sir, providing me with a wonderful opportunity. I believe that you listen my word carefully. So the topic is importance of money. Friends, you know importance of money. When you have money, then people saying when you have do not money, then people saying who are you? When you have money, then people saying how are you? Importance of money. Money are important in our daily life. It can help us to buy food, clothes, or another thing. With money, we can help our family members and others. Thank you for listening, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I want to talk about the importance of money. Money, security, freedom, life, and opportunity. It pay for everyone food, home, clothes, and medicines. Money is one of the most important of daily life. Without money, it becomes becomes to life a secure life and profession. It help you get a good education, travel, and new try things. Thank you for listening to me.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Snakshi, and I am present here for some lines about the importance of money. Money, it is a very important things in our life. It buys secretary, freedom, opportunities. It pay for our food, home, clothing, and medicine. It act as a safety when unexpected emergencies happen. It lets you choose how would you spend your time and live your life. Thank you for listening.
Good morning to respected Ranjan sir and my all dear friends. Let me start with a quick question. What is the one thing in the world that have everyone in a exact same amount, but no one can ever buy more of it? It's not gold, not money, not the smartphones. It's time. Every single morning, life deposits 86,400 seconds in our life. How would we spend those seconds in is completely up to us. Time is the ultimate equalizer. Whether you are a student or a world-class athlete or an astronaut in space, everyone gets the same exact amount 24 hours in a day. The difference between successful person uh, and the unsuccessful person is not completely talent alone. It's also about how they use their time. As class 8 students, we fall in the procrastination trap of saying, I will do this work tomorrow, or I will finish this assignment later. But it becomes uh, it becomes very long time we before know it. So value and respect time. Uh, Remember one thing that money, if money lose, we earn it back. But time is lose, it gone. Thank you to all of you to listening me. Have a fantastic.
So, good morning, everyone. Today I am speak on the topic the importance of money. Money is an important of our life. It helps by food, clothes, medicine, and other basic needs. Also help us good education and life for a comfortable life. However, money is not everything. It cannot be love, happiness, and every true friendship. We should earn money and use it wisely. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Raj Kumar. I am here to speak on the topic of importance of time. Time is one of the most valuable gifts in life. We can earn money again, but we can never got back the time. We waste every moment in precious because it gives us a chance to learn, work, and improve ourselves. If we use our time wisely, we can achieve great things. But if we waste it, we can lost many opportunity. So let's respect time, value every second, and make the best use of each day. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is importance of money. Imagine you are very hungry, but you have no money to buy food, or someone is sick, but there is no money for medicines. At that moment, we realize money is important. Really, money is not paper or coin. It is the result of hard work, dedication, and responsibilities. It helps us our basic needs, achieve our dreams, and help in our families. So while money is necessary, it should becomes the proposal of our lives. We should earn it honestly, spend it wisely, use it another, use use it to help another. Money is important, but the greatest investment is not your bank account. It is in your character.
Of course, all the students performed very well, everybody, and you can see that just they are in initial phase, right? And in this beginning moment, we can say that, and they performed very well. Think for a second, if they practice regularly, that means they will be pro. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Bye bye, take care.